This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework. This is Physics Homework 15, questions 6 and 7. It says an 1.84 times 10 to the third kilogram car, well that's the mass, is 1.84 times 10 to the third kilograms, accelerates uniformly from rest, I know my initial velocity is 0, to 9.61 meters per second, so my final velocity is 9.61 meters per second, in 2.09 seconds, so my time is 2.09 seconds. What is the work done on the car in this time interval? Now, in order to get work, I need force times distance. What I could do is figure out my acceleration, and then use my mass to figure out my net force on the car, F net equals ma. Then I'd need my distance, so I would have to use one of those equations of motion in order to get how far it travels while it's moving at 2.09 seconds and accelerating. But there's an easier way to do this. If I know that my work is my change in energy, in this case, it's just moving along and it's not getting any higher, so my work is going to be how much my kinetic energy changed. And since it started at a velocity of 0, it's just going to be that my work is going to be the amount of kinetic energy I have at the end. So that's going to be 1/2 mv squared, which is going to be 1/2 of my mass, 1.84 times 10 to the 3, times my final velocity, which is 9.61 squared. And that'll give me the amount of work done on the car, because that's how much the energy changed. It's all kinetic. That's my work, is my change in energy, is my change in kinetic energy. That's my work done. Part 2 says, what is the power delivered by the engine in this time interval? Now I've got power is my work divided by my time. So whatever I had for my work before, divided by my 2.09 seconds, and I will get my power in watts. So that's going to be my answer for power.